In this video I'm going to show you how to boost your Windows 10 performance, and we are going to do that by completing 8 steps. So first we are going to create a power plan, and for that you need to go to your search area and you search for power. Then you open power and sleep settings. And now we need to go to additional power settings at the upper right. For some people there's already a performance plan over here, so you can select that one and use the performance plan. In my case there is only the balance recommended plan, so we're going to create a new one. So for that you go to create a power plan, and here you need to select high performance, and you can give it a name, high performance, next, and now you can change the settings, create. So that's the first step. Now you can close the screen. And the second step is to go to your task manager, so you right click on the taskbar and you select Task Manager. Here you need to go to Startup. And now you can disable programs that are starting automatically. It's recommended to not disable the Microsoft Corporation programs, because most of the time your system needs those programs. And for example, I see BlueStacks over here, so I select it and I click on disable, and now it is disabled. So this will make your computer faster with starting up. So we can close the screen. And the third step is to defragment and optimize your drive. So you go to the search area over here and you search for defragment and select defragment and optimize drive. And now you can select your solid state drive and you select optimize. So this can take some time, and you just have to wait till that one is done, and then we can go to the next step. You can close the screen. And the fourth step is to delete unnecessary files. So you right click on your Windows icon and you select one. And now you need to insert this command. So percentage and temp percentage. Okay. And then you will see a lot of temporary data which you can delete. So I select Ctrl A and delete. After that we are going to do the same for another folder. So right click on your Windows icon, one, and now we need to go to temp. Okay. Continue. And here are also a lot of temporary files that you can delete. So Ctrl A and delete. Continue. And then you can close the screen. And now you go to the Windows icon again, right click and run. And you need to insert prefetch. Okay. Continue. And here you can delete all those files. So Ctrl A, delete. And you can close the screen. So now we are going to clean up some memory, and that is step 5. So open up your File Explorer over here and go to your C drive. Right click in it and go to Properties. And over here you will see Disk Cleanup. So you select Disk Cleanup. So now the scanning is finished and you can clean up your system files. Select OK. Delete files. And this can take some time, so we just have to wait till this one is done. And after that you select OK. Now we are going to reduce runtime services. So you can close the screen. Right click on your Windows icon and go to Run. And here you need to go to MS config. Okay. Then you go to services, and don't forget to hide all Microsoft services, because we don't want to disable those. Enable hide all Microsoft services. And now you can check this list and disable services that don't need to run. Let's say this VirtualBox for example, and then you can apply it. As you can see, it is stopped, and then you go to OK. So disable all the services that are not necessary to boost up your Windows performance. After that you select OK, and we can continue to the next step. Now we're going to tweak some registries. Right click on your Windows icon and go to Run. And then go to Reg Edit and select OK. So here you need to go to the current user. So open up that folder. Then go to Control Panel and go to Mouse. And here you can change your mouse hover time. So double click that one and change it to 10. And now you need to go to Desktop. So double click Desktop. And you need to scroll down a bit until you see menu show delay. So double click this one and also change this to 10. It is recommended to restart your system after this step. And the final step is to change the visual effects, so that is step 8. Go to your search area over here and you search for System. Then you need to go to Advanced System Settings over here. And then you open up Settings. We're going to disable some settings over here. You can choose for best performance. And then you can enable some parts if you want to, but let's keep it like this. So apply and select OK. After that you can restart your system, and I'm really sure that this helped your performance. This is how to boost your Windows 10 performance. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was the case, please leave a like and I'll see you in the next video.